Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 12-volt air compressors on Amazon. 12-volt air compressors are great for filling tires, but there's a host of other uses that make them worth the investment. Keep it in your garage or your vehicle for quick and easy access. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Kenmore Portable 12V Air Compressor. The Kenmore Portable 12V Air Compressor features dual solid metal motors that provide powerful and quick tire inflation. One of the best features of this particular model is that while it is a 12-volt powered air compressor, it also comes with an AC plug for use in your home's 110-volt wall outlet, giving you plenty of options for where and when to use it. This air compressor is equipped with a large and bright, easy-to-read display that measures sight, bar, and kPa. It measures up to 120 sight, which is capable of inflating most standard car, bike, and mid-size SUV tires. It also comes with an adapter set for sporting equipment, pool inflatables, and air mattresses. What we like about it? Dual power sources make this unit super versatile. Large, easy-to-read display measures sight, bar, and kPa. Compact enough to fit inconspicuously in most trunks. What we don't like about it? Not suitable for powering small pneumatic tools. Some concern over long-term durability of the unit itself. Number 2. Viair 300P Air Compressor Kit. The Viair 300P Air Compressor Kit gets major props for being a reliable, heavy-duty 12-volt portable air compressor that's ideal for off-road vehicles and equipment needs. It's designed to inflate tires up to 33 inches in diameter quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the trail in no time. This unit features a respectable airflow rate of 2.40 CFM and a max SI of 150. It also allows you to air down your tires for better traction on more rugged and challenging terrain. This kit comes complete with a protective storage bag to guard against exposure to unwanted moisture and dust. You also get multiple adapters for inflating other sporting equipment. This unit is somewhat expensive compared to some others on the market. What we like about it? Fast and powerful inflation for tires up to 33 inches. Multiple adapters for added versatility. Protective carrying bag included. What we don't like about it? Alligator clamps are rather flimsy. Tricky valve chuck. Number 3. Oldtop Air Compressor Kit. If you're in the market for a rugged and heavy-duty 12-volt air compressor that can inflate larger tires, like those on your RV or trailer, quickly, check out the Oldtop Air Compressor Kit. This all-inclusive kit features an impressive airflow rate of 6.36 cubic feet per minute, allowing you to inflate larger tires quickly and with ease. The metal housing and rust-resistant aluminum cylinder make this model an excellent option for storing aboard your RV and taking care of all your compressed air needs while camping. The auto thermal cutoff switch and added safety valve provide added protection from overheating and motor damage during use. What we like about it? Rugged and durable housing. Great for a variety of applications. Fast, powerful inflation rate. What we don't like about it? Battery clamps could be more heavy-duty. Short power cable not ideal for longer vehicles. Number 4. GSPSCN Portable 12V Air Compressor Pump. When you can't mess around and need guaranteed air delivery quickly and efficiently, the GSPSCN Portable 12V Air Compressor Pump won't disappoint. It's equipped with a maximum pressure of 150 sight and an airflow capacity of 72 liters per minute, allowing it to inflate a standard 17-inch tire in approximately 1 minute. Unlike some units, this compressor powers directly from your vehicle's battery with a 2.5-meter heavy-duty power cord and strong alligator clips. What we like about it? Strong enough to inflate truck, RV, and ATV tires. Equipped with a heavy-duty dust cap for use in sandy desert-like climates. Has an external inline 40-amp fuse for added safety during use. What we don't like about it? No AC power supply and can't plug into your car's cigarette lighter. Larger power draw than many compressors. Number 5. Tire Inflator Portable 12V Air Compressor for Car Fast Tire Pump. The Inflator heavy-duty portable air compressor pump is a tough and powerful option that's quickly inflating your truck tires. This unit features a maximum SI of 120. It draws 18 amps directly from your vehicle's battery to give you ultra-fast inflation rates of 45 liters per minute. What we like about it: includes lots of adapters for almost any purpose. Affordable and rugged. What we don't like about it: no storage bag included. Noisy during operation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.